I am Marie Schambach from Guatemala, and I want to tell you my experience with Cesare Ragazzi Laboratories. Some years ago, I was addressed by the CEO of the company and says, "Oh, look, I have a system. Look how beautiful." I said, "Wow, I can't even tell you have a system. Can I touch?" "Yeah, sure." So I touched his head and said, "Well, can I pull?" "Yeah." So I pulled and there was nothing come there. It was just like regular hair. So I thought, "Oh, that's very nice, but I'm a surgeon. I do hair. I treat hair loss. Why would I need a system? It's my competition." That's what I thought. Then I saw him at the beach and he says, "Oh, Marie, look, hair." Jumps into the water. The system's there. It looks perfectly natural. You cannot tell it's a system. Like he comes out of the water and moves his hair. It's like, wow, that's really good. But still, my surgical ego says I don't need that. Until I went back home and I got this patient that had her scalp ripped by a lioness, 70% lost, and she had skin grafts. Very, very traumatizing to see. And she didn't want to go back to college, and it was very, very disfiguring. So I cannot do surgery on that. I can treat her. My best thing is use a wig. That's when I thought I should contact Cesare Ragazzi, and they have been amazing helping me with my patients. I have more than 80 patients using Cesare Ragazzi systems, which is actually a medical device. And there is no more pleasure to see them go back to lifestyle, their own lifestyle. They're going to salons, they're doing sports, they're swimming. I can see them actually enjoying. I had one patient use it because he was going to get married and he didn't want to see himself bald, and it would take so long to get his surgery done. And the result, I said, I just want one for getting married and going through the honeymoon. Awesome. So it is definitely a game changer, and I think it is a must to have in your office as a physician, because there will be cases that you cannot do anything but a very good prosthetic. And this by far is the best I've had.